Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Previous 3 or 4 videos of the basic algebra, we discussed the like term, unlike term, so many basic thing in algebra or the addition, subtraction. Now today I discuss the multiplication. You know the multiply in case of the arithmetic. Suppose 2 into 3, 6. Okay, so this is the arithmetical multiplication, but when this is 2x into 2x or x into x or 4x into 2, what is the result? So now here we discuss today the algebra multiply and algebra. So one thing is very important here is the sign or the rule of multiply and the sign. You know already in case of multiply the rule, that is plus into minus, this is minus, plus minus minus, plus into plus, that is plus, you know, minus into minus, that you know plus, and minus into plus, that is minus. Previously I discussed all these things. Plus into minus hole minus hole, plus into plus hole plus, minus minus plus, and this plus minus into plus minus. This is very important in case of algebra multiplication, rule of multiply. Okay, suppose in case of arithmetic also, so minus 2 into minus 3, what is the answer? Very easy. First you determine the sign. Sign means minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6. Very easy. Don't to be panic, just তোমরা ঠিক করে বোঝো ব্যাপারটা কি হচ্ছে. So if this is 2 into 3, that is there is no sign, that means plus, here is plus, so plus plus plus, 3 2s are 6. When this is minus 2 into plus 3, the first determine what is the sign, minus, minus plus, minus plus, minus, 3 2s are 6. Okay, and now when this is plus 2 into minus 3, so what is the answer? Plus plus minus, minus, 3 2s are 6. This is very carefully you understand. One thing is very important in case of algebra. The sign is very important. চিহ্নটা, সাইনটা, এটা কিন্তু খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট জিনিস. তোমরা এইটাকে খেয়াল রাখবে, রুলটা খেয়াল রাখবে. ইন কেস অফ মাল্টিপ্লাই, ফার্স্ট ইউ ডিটারমাইন দ্য সাইন. অ্যান্ড দ্য আদার থিং ইজ, সাপোজ তোমরা এখনো এক্সপোনেন্স বা বেসটা শেখোনি. সাপোজ দিস অ্যাকচুয়ালি হয় রাইট x into x, that is x square. In which way it's come? Actually this actually called the base, and x to the power x means that is x to the power 1. This is called the index or power. Here is also when base are same, base the same, so power will be added. That means 1 plus 1, that is x is 2. In this way, actually in this way the multiply operate in case of algebra. Suppose here y to the power 3 into y to the power 5, what is the answer? In case the base are same, so this is both are y, so y to the power 3 plus 5, so that is y to the power 8. এইটুকু জিনিস খালি খেয়াল রাখবে, তাহলেই হবে. ওকে, সো হিয়ার suppose here is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. What is this? So base are same, 2 to the power 3 plus 5, this is 2 to the power 8. মানে এখানে 2 কবার আছে 3 বার. 2 to the power 3, that means actually 2 into 2 into 2, okay, into 2 to the power 5 means 2 টা 5 times, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 বার লিখবে. ওকে, এটার জন্য 2 to the power 3, that means 1 2 3, এখানে 2 to the power 5 মানে 1 2 3 4 5, তাই টোটাল কত হলো এটা? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 2 to the power 8. So there is the rule. When base are same, power will be added. This is the basic thing of the multiplication in case of the arithmetic. Okay, so now if you rub it, now there is in case of addition and subtraction, two processes are there. One is the column process, one is the horizontal process, you know already. In case of multiply, there is also two rules, but now I start basic multiply. Basic multiply, that means suppose product or multiply, product or multiply. সাপোজ তোমাকে যদি বলে 2x into 3, তুমি কি লিখবে? 3 to the 6x. Very easy, just you multiply in this way. Suppose 4x into 2y, তুমি কি লিখবে? এটা হচ্ছে নিউমেরিক্যাল। 4 into 2 8, x into y xy। এইটার মানেই হচ্ছে x into y। আমরা এটা এরকম ভাবে না লিখে আমরা এরকম লিখি 8xy। দিস ইজ দ্য ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট থিং। বেসিক মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন ইজ দিস। তোমরা যদি বেসিকটাকে ভালো করে ক্লিয়ার করে নিতে পারো তাহলে কিন্তু ম্যাথসটা হয়ে যাবে ভেরি ইজি। ওকে, নাও এ ডিফারেন্ট সাম। আমরা একটু আস্তে আস্তে শক্তর দিকে যাব। দ্য বেসিক রুল ইজ দিস অ্যান্ড অলওয়েজ রিমেম্বার দ্য রুল। সাপোজ হিয়ার -2x square into 3y5, এইরকম যখন দিচ্ছে ফার্স্ট তোমাকে ডিটারমাইন করতে হবে সাইনটা, যে অ্যান্সারটা আসবে হুইচ ওয়ান দ্য আনসার, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য সাইন অফ দ্য আনসার। মাইনাস এখানে প্লাস, কিছু নেই মানেই প্লাস, অ্যাজিউম দিস, কোনো সাইন না থাকা মানে দ্যাট ইজ প্লাস, দ্যার ইজ নো সাইন, দ্যাট মিনস অলওয়েজ ইউ টেক প্লাস। সো প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস 3 to the 6 x square y5. Here is not adding, you don't add it, because x is the different thing, y is the different thing. Okay, the base are not same, just you put. But if this is -2x square and here is just, I just write an example, x to the power 5, same, khali in place of y write x. Okay, very important thing. So same, all are same, plus minus minus 3 to the 6, but here is x is, here is x, so when base are same, power will be added, so we write x to the power 2 plus 5, so -6 x to the power 7. It answer, because this is x, this is also x. এইগুলো একটু বেসিক জিনিস খেয়াল রাখবে, তাহলে মাল্টিপ্লাই ইজ ভেরি ইজি টু ইউ। ইউ আর সো ব্রেনি স্টুডেন্ট, মাল্টিপ্লাই ইজ ভেরি ইজি, প্রত্যেকের বুদ্ধি আছে। খুব জিনিসটা, খুব বেসিক জিনিসটা খুব ভালো করে বোঝো, তাহলেই বুঝতে হবে। ওকে, সো হেয়ার ইজ প্লাস মাইনাস মাইনাস 3 to the 6, base are same, so power will be added. Okay, but here is base is not same, just you write x square and y to the power 5. Okay, no problem at all. So now the next thing, this is actually the basic thing. Now what is this other thing? Sums. Suppose 2x square y cube multiply with -3xy square. Bolo, no problem at all. Multiply this. So this is, there is no sign. First you determine the sign step by step. There is no sign means plus. So plus minus minus. No problem. Clear? Now the numerical 3 into 2 6. খুব সোজা, ব্যাপারটা ভালো করে বোঝো। This is x, there is also x. Here is no power, that is actually is taken 1. So here is x, here is x. There is 2, there is 1. Directly you write 2 plus 1 3, x to the power 3. Here is y, but here is 3, here is 2. So 3 to 5. So this is the 3 to 5 to 1 3. Clear? Clear? So this is the basic thing. Now very easy, just to understand. Suppose a sum 7ab, just you write the sum into bracket minus 4a square b square and c square, close bracket, multiply minus 3bc cube, 3bc. No problem. First you determine the sign. Okay, then you multiply the numericals value. First you determine this. There is no sign, that means plus. So plus minus minus, and here is also minus. So plus minus minus, then minus minus, plus minus minus for here, And now suppose first you multiply this, okay, no problem at all. First you multiply this, basic thing. So plus minus minus, okay, 4 7 4 7 28, okay, this is a, this is a square, so a is 2, here is 1, a to the power 3, because here is 2, here is nothing, that is means 1, okay, 3, b is 1, here is 2, so b to the power also 3, because 2 1 3 and c square, no problem. Now you multiply with minus 3 b c. Here is minus minus plus, minus minus plus, okay, this one you multiply 28 into 3, 84, just you write 84. Why this is plus? Because minus minus plus, numerical this and this you multiply, okay, no problem at all, বুঝতে পারছো? Now this is a cube, a এখানে তিনটে আছে, এখানে there is no a, so you write a cube. b এখানে তিনটে, b to the power 3, এখানে কিছু নেই, মানে that is 1 you take, so 3 plus 1 4, b to the power 4. And now c here is 2, here is 3, so 2 or 3 5, c to the power 4. That is the ultimate answer, that is the ultimate answer, no problem, very easy, don't to be panic, very easy, just to understand properly what is the multiplication. The rule is here, first you determine the sign, okay, sign, you remember all the signs. আমি একটা জিনিস বেসিক্যালি বলতে পারি, যখনই সেম সাইন থাকবে, দুটোই সেম সাইন, দিস ইজ অলওয়েজ প্লাস, বিকজ আ সেম সাইন হিয়ার ইজ সেম সাইন, দুটোই মাইনাস, সেম সাইন, তাহলেই প্লাস। আবার এখানে দেখো দুটোই সেম সাইন, দুটোই প্লাস, ওই জন্য প্লাস। যদি খুব মনে রাখার অসুবিধা, তাহলে এইটুকু মনে রাখবে, when the same sign are there, always plus sign. When the different signs are there, that means plus and minus or minus or plus, this always the minus sign. Clear? So first you determine the sign, then you multiply the numericals, okay, then you just multiply the variables, okay, and in the base are same, variable will be, the power is added, here is 3, here is 1, so 4, here is 2, here is 3 5, no problem, okay. Now the other side, clear? ওকে, এইভাবে তোমরা যদি বুঝতে পারো, বেসিকটা যদি মাল্টিপ্লাইটা কিন্তু খুব তোমার কাছে ইজি মনে হবে, ওকে। নাও হোয়াট আদার মাল্টিপ্লাই ইজ দিস, সাপোজ 4x, use bracket, this is 5x plus 7x, multiply this, here is a bracket, when actually there is multiply, when is out of bracket, always through multiply, that means this into this, this into this. Suppose you write 4x into 5x, no problem, here is plus, there is no sign plus, here is plus, so plus plus plus, here is plus, here is plus, plus plus plus, so 4x into 7xy. খুব ভালোভাবে বোঝার চেষ্টা করো এই জিনিস, হরবর করো, বেসিক জিনিসটা খুব ভালোভাবে জাস্ট ক্লিয়ারলি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, দেন ইউ সলভ দ্য সাম। Any typical sum will be solved already if you understand properly the basic thing of the multiplication. Now, so here is 4 into 5 20, no problem, x into x, x square, because this is 1, this is 1, 1 plus 1, now this is 4 7 28, x square, x আর x, x square y, clear? But this is clear, but if I just change it here, if the sign is minus here, what is the problem? If the sign is minus, then be careful, so this is plus, plus into plus, plus 4x into 5x, no problem, but here is first you determine plus minus minus 4x into 7xy, so this is same for 20 x square, but here is minus 28 x square y. In general, বেশিরভাগ ছেলের এই জায়গাগুলোতেই সাইনে গন্ডগোল হয়ে যায়। In general, every student is mistake here to, in case of hurry, you just determine the sign is wrong, okay, so be careful when determine the sign, okay. Now the next sum, very important, very easy, just you understand properly. Okay. Here is the sum. 3x bracket 4x minus 5 plus 3. So first you multiply, then find the value when x equal to 3. X equal to 3. Okay. So one way you just put the value x, or you first multiply this, then ultimately you get the answer, then put the value of x. That is most easier to each and every student. So first you multiply. So this is plus 3 4 12 x square. X in base x square. Plus minus 3 5 15 x plus 3. Okay, this plus. Now put the value of 3 x. So here is 12, x is 3, so 3 square minus 15 into x is 3, and here is plus 3. Okay, so now this is 12, 3 square 3 9 minus 3, 15 into 3 45. Okay, now borrow 9 12 the 108 minus 45 plus 3. So this is 108, so 111 minus 45. 6 5 66. Okay, clear? So what this, first you multiply this, then put the value of this. Okay, no problem, in this way you solve it. But remember, if the value of x is equal to minus 3, if x is equal to minus 3, then the total value is, answer is changed. In which way? Just I see. Okay, clear? So just put the, here is 3, here is 3. So you rub it. These are okay. These are okay. Now, okay, now this is minus 3 here. So this is 12. You always use the bracket when minus is there. Calculation being easier and there is no mistake. Okay, so x square. So you write bracket use minus 3 square. Okay, that is the proper way. So answer will be always right, and there is no mistake. Possibility of mistake is very minimum. Okay, so this x is minus 3. You always use a bracket. Here is minus 15. Minus 15. Now this is x. You just use the bracket minus 3. Use the bracket. তাহলে তোমাদের বুঝতে এবং ক্যালকুলেশন করতে সুবিধা হবে। ওকে, এইখানেই গন্ডগোলটা হয়ে যায়। আমরা যদি জাস্ট এখানে এইরাম লিখে দিই, তাহলে কিন্তু গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাবে। জাস্ট এরাম, তাহলে কিন্তু একটা কনফিউশন এসে যাবে। সো ইউজ দ্য ব্র্যাকেট, or you use the multiply, or use the 15 into minus 3. Okay, anything clear? So now I just here use the bracket. So very easy to me. So this is minus. Now no problem. Okay, so here is 12 first. Minus 3 into minus 3, actually 9 plus 9. Okay, minus plus 9. But here is the problem. Now the change, this is minus. So ultimately plus. So 3 5 45. In previous sum, this is negative. But here is 45. Minus plus. এই জায়গাগুলোতেই গন্ডগোল হয়ে যায়. And this is plus 3. Now this is 108. There is now the plus, and there is 3. Clear? But in the previous sum, this is minus, because this is plus. The plus minus. But here is minus plus. Okay? Now the answer is this is 111 plus 45. So this is 516, 415. This is okay. So this is the possibility to chance of mistake. So don't to be hesitate. If there is a value, if any value is minus, you always use the bracket. So bracket, then multiply, out of bracket, always multiply, through multiply. So minus minus plus. Clear? Okay? So this is the very important thing. So this is the basic thing of the mathematics. So next video I will discuss the further in case of multiply. Okay? So if you understand this properly, please share the channel and like the channel. Thank you student. Thank you.